I just thought I was driving down the freeway on the weekend and I saw some basic bitch native plants, and I think a lot of people will see these a lot of places because the councils froth on them because they're they're pretty hardy and they look cool. So here's the first one. So I'm also a basic bitch, so I've got some in my yard. So this is a Geraldton wax. Obviously it's from they're called Geraldton wax because they are from Geraldton. Well, they're not from Geraldton, but they're mostly found in Geraldton, WA. And they're pretty good little plant. My one isn't too big. It's only about my height so far, but they do grow to about 4 meters. But if you hedge them and like shape them and stuff, they kind of stay the height. Just note that whatever height you want them on, you kind of do it before they get to a extended thing. Because otherwise, if you cut it here, right, it ain't gonna flower very well. So you kind of want to keep it to the height that you want it. So this one, once it flowers, I'll obviously cut that section off again so it stays that height because I want it in that section there. I don't want it too big. So yeah, that's the first one. These ones mostly attract bees, but they can attract other pollinators as well. But I've seen a few flies there as well, if that's your jam, you know. This is the second one. This is the grey cottonhead, which it's grey because it's obviously grey, and then it's got a head there, but it doesn't look like cotton. So whoever named this, I think, was a little bit drunk. Ones don't get super huge. They're about 30 centimeters. So that one's kind of almost full height and width. But as you can see, the bees kind of, that one didn't. But oh no, he's come back. Can we get a shot? Come in now. Oh no, he's going for the grevillea instead. But the native bees apparently froth on this one, and it like froths on well-drained soil like this, like shit soil. So if you've got a shit soil garden, well, obviously like any natives, it froths on that. These ones do make really good borders. That's why the councils use them all the time, because they make a good border plant. They also make good container plants. So if you're on a rental and you want some native plants around that have cool little yellow flowers like that, yeah, crack one of these into a pot and it should go fine. Just make sure it's well drained and it's got shit soil in it. So hope you enjoyed the basic bitch plant guide. You'll see them around Perth now that I've mentioned them, and you might see them around Australia as well, because they're they're pretty good for all kind of environments, but they are from Western Australia, so we will claim it if you say it's from yours. Anyway, I'm going to turn this sprinkler on.